Hey, good morning, guys. So, remember when I told you guys about the stone chip on my windscreen? Yeah, this is the spot. You can see it. Not sure you can see it very clearly, but it leave a dent there. I don't think it's very serious. Every time I feel like it's not serious, but I don't know. The specialist will say something otherwise. So today I'm going to visit the windshield repair specialist, and we'll see what he has to say. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure that it can be repaired. Just that I hope the cost is friendly. Okay, we'll see. Okay guys, we are here. It's located at the corner shop. Yeah, I think this is the one, right? So it's very minor scar. Just need to tampal balik. No need to use the machine. So all this can be repaired. So it's fixed in 15 minutes and it's free of charge, surprisingly. You still see the scar, but it's now very smooth surface. You fill up the craters already. So it's free of charge. Ivy, the owner of Glass Mechanics, or the Sifu of the Glass Mechanics, she's a very professional and friendly boss, and she explains to you really properly how the things is done, how the repair is done, and the type of damage that can be repaired. Wow, I must thank my friend who recommended me this place, and definitely worth visiting if you have a little crack or little chip. I'll share the location of this place in my description if you're interested. Okay, that's it for today. I'm very happy with the result. Drive and ride safe.